This is a product spotlight on our 518 single point mortise lock box. It comes in a 45-degree and 90-degree cylinder. Here is an example of the 45-degree cylinder. It is silver, and the cylinder slot is at a 45-degree angle when it's in the locked position and the unlocked position. It also comes with a faceplate, as this is a more current style used for current sliding patio door handle sets. The 90-degree is an older version. The 90-degree cylinder has a horizontal slot when in the locked and unlocked position is at a 90-degree angle. As this is a replacement part for older mortise lock box with a 90-degree, it does not come with a faceplate. You will need to reuse yours. Here's an example of an older 90-degree mortise lock box. It was usually plastic and the cylinder was black. So here's a comparison of the two side by side. Both the 45-degree and the 90-degree do have an adjustment. When the latch is in the locked position, you're able to use a flathead screwdriver to move the latch in and out so it can attach to the keeper on the door to lock your patio door. This is done by moving the latch in and out by using the adjustment screw, screwing it to the left, or rotating it to the right to move the latch. It is the same on the 90-degree as well. In the open position, you can move the latch in or out by using a flathead screwdriver on the adjustment screw by rotating it to the left or to the right to move the latch in or out. The 45-degree cylinder that looks like this can be used with handle sets like our 522, or another example is our S3006, but many others. The 90-degree cylinder was used with holder handle sets. Here's some examples from our catalog of older handle sets that it was used on. To use the 90-degree older style faceplate on the new mortise lock box, you'll just need to remove the two mounting screws that hold the faceplate to the mortise lock box. The two screws can be unscrewed with a Phillips head screwdriver. They can be tight when you first go to unscrew them, so make sure you do not strip the screws. Once you remove the two screws, the faceplate will lift off the mortise lock box, and then you can put it on your new one. Place it onto your mortise lock box and then reuse the two screws to screw it back down onto the mortise lock box. Once the faceplate is installed onto the mortise lock box, you can now reinstall it onto your patio door. To install it onto the patio door, you're going to use the two mounting screw holes. Push the mortise lock box into the mortise of your patio door and put in the two mounting screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Both mortise lock boxes and handle sets can be ordered on our website, windowpartscenter.com.